Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Order one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, staying dry, because we are getting slammed like a monsoon. Pretty crazy. But here we go, guys. This is coming from my Do Believe poof. My affiliate link will be down below, so all you gotta do is click on it. Check this out. You're gonna order. You can order one of them, or you can order two of them. But my suggestion is to order two of them, because you're gonna need two of them. Unless you don't want two of them. It all depends. This is a flame atmosphere speaker, Bluetooth, waterproof. Phone, you can use it for a phone intercom. I think we're about to lose power, but here we go. This is what they look like. They have a coupon. All you gotta do is add it to your cart, click on it, it'll take it off at the end. So really nice Bluetooth speaker. Got it all set up, and look at this, got a handle. You can use it like a lantern. Camping and about to lose power. Shoot. Take it on a beach parties, barbecue parties outdoors, you name it. This thing will come in handy. Here's where you charge it. Right there, if you guys can see it. There you go. And this is what it comes with. You get a hook. Hook it on, and you hook it to anything you need, like a tree branch, but it's super lightweight, really cool. Then also USB to charge it, and one of these things. You're gonna need it for the bottom. You take this right here. Twist it a couple times. Hopefully, lights are flashing. Says about to be a bad storm tonight, so we shall see. Here we go. Easy peasy. Plug it in. You can just stake it on the ground. But we're not going to do that tonight. It is really bad out though. Oops. Like I say, get the handle. This. So, oh jeez. Type C is a USB. 70 decibels. Wireless version 5.1. Waterproof and all that good stuff. See right down here. So definitely check them out. We got it all connected, and like I said, definitely might want to get two of them. There's 3 different modes. That's off. There's flame. Put this down. Now let's connect it. I'm not sure which one it is connected.
Google Fi, a phone plan by Google.
Oh,
get unlimited data, calls, and texts with a Fi unlimited.
Oh man. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that one. Oh boy. Here we go.
fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go I found where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made us up.
And so definitely, guys, check them out. And like I said, I'll leave my affiliate links down below. And you guys could order either one or you could two. But like I said, my thing would be order 2 of them. Really cool.
I can help reorder everyday items.
Alexa, cancel. Jeez, oh Pete. Gotta be careful sometimes. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.